Hi, Father's Day is fast approaching, and we're always trying to think what things would dads love that are plants. Mother's Day, moms get lots of stuff that are plants, and I think dads deserve the same attention, but they like different things. I'm Scott from GARDENWORKS, and I have a few great quick ideas for you on things you could do for dads for Father's Day. How about a carnivorous plant? They're fun, they're really very unique. This is a pitcher plant, and there's a few other carnivorous plants you'll know, like Venus flytraps. Those would be great for dads. They love them. They love the whole idea of it. How super cool is this? This is a black ZZ plant, or raven, really. They call it raven ZZ. What an amazing plant. And I think that it's just got enough uniqueness that it's a great Father's Day gift. How about a bonsai as a gift for dad? Bonsais are pretty special. Each one is unique. This is one that we would grow indoors. It's a bonsai form of a banyan tree, and it's, you know, you can maintain them, you take care of them. They're your own special plant. Just fantastic for fathers. All right, I'm not even sure if you can see this in the frame. Now you can, now you can't. I really love the Egyptian papyrus. Just very evocative and again, it's so unique that would be a really neat gift, I think. Some pretty neat plants that become collectible, which is always great because over the years you can add to the collection, are dwarf conifers and Japanese maples. Dwarf conifers, there's just an amazing selection and very many different sort of unique varieties. This one has these very golden new growth on it. It's a little spruce tree, would also make a great bonsai, you know, and so do Japanese maples sometimes. So dwarf conifers, great in pots too, right? Both of them, great in pots or as bonsai. And Japanese maples, fabulous. How about a windmill palm? Anyone who's ever had a dad who's gone to a tropical place, or to Arizona or to you know, Mexico, they probably came back and said, sure would love a palm tree. What could I do? And windmill palms will grow here and make a great gift. Every year, right around Father's Day or just before, when it becomes just an absolutely perfect time to grow peppers, we see a lot of interest in the hot peppers, but not just kind of a mildly hot pepper. It's got to be a hot pepper. And the varieties like Carolina Reaper or Trinidad Scorpion or the Ghost Pepper, those are three of the hottest varieties of peppers. And for some reason, people, and I think dads, really like to show, you know, that they have the stuff it takes to grow and then eat a hot pepper. Great gift. All right, one last idea. I must say there are lots, but one last idea would be the Opuntia cactus, really the sort of the bunny ear cactus, or what's another name for those darn things? You see them on the Roadrunner show, you know, with their little arms like this. I have one here, and what an amazing, amazing thing. For one thing, it brings you back to those times when you watched those cartoons and you watched the coyote, Wile E. Coyote running into the cactus, but also they're very cool. And we've got a couple that are just coming into bloom. They've got the little arms on them, or the little bunny ears, and they will actually have amazing flowers too. I'd be so delighted to get something like that. I'm surrounded by amazing plants that would make great gifts for Father's Day, and that's true at the garden center all the time. These are just a few of my favorites. Thanks for watching the video. If you want, you can subscribe to our YouTube video by clicking the little button down below. Have a great Father's Day, all you dads and all the folks who take care of their kids so darn well. Cheers.